Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out your notification button. Well, look at the screen in front of you. This is the ever legendary Mr. Charlie Mattress. And I was doing some research and I came across this thing about him. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I remember when I was young and people used to say, you have so much kids like Charlie Mattress. And you are the new Charlie Mattress. And it seems like, I don't want to say Charlie set the trend, but it seemed like it was a race to see who can be Charlie Mattress with kids in Jamaica. For real. Anybody who is old enough know that Charlie Mattress name was big time when it comes to kids. But I didn't know he was a fisherman. He was a fisherman. The information will be popping up, different information about him. He was a fisherman and he actually went with his fishing boat. You understand? He went with his fishing boat and made his fishing his livelihood through fishing. They said he was a Casanova from the article, and he had a lot of girlfriends and he treated women really good. So the women then weren't fighting. I guess him what you call a coxman. Them now fight and everybody gets along. Wow. My Lord, I said whoa. But he also ran a haberdashery, sort of like a wholesale. Matthews Lane, that's where he's from. Sorry. And he's from Matthews Lane. And it seems like he was a big timer in the neighborhood because his daughter, Miss Nicholson, was saying that they would be different people coming to the house. And then she would see them on TV and stuff like that. His boat sank in 1974, but he still stayed in the fishing business until the day he died. He had over 4 dozen kids, like 48, maybe 48 to 52 kids. And yeah, seems like everybody got along. He took care of them. He was a real legend. And he was more aligned with the, what do you call them, people who live with more than one wife? I guess the Muslim and I can't remember the other. They're not nomads. I'm sorry, they're not nomads, but polyamorous or something like that. I'm not too sure. But yeah, fascinating character. Like I said, I would like to know more about him. He's from Matches Lane and doing fishing thing. Him have a haberdashery. But yeah, he really have over 4 dozen kids. So that's the reality of the situation with Charlie Mattress, Charlie Jackson. That's his last name, Charlie Jackson. So, like I said, it ain't not much to talk about with Mr. Mattress. I just wanted to put his story out there because I remember as a little youth, people used to say, you have so much kid like Charlie Mattress, and I thought it was a legend. But I guess it's a reality, real things, because I remember, so it's it's kind of weird to put a face with the name and the actual events. So like I say, you scroll through this video, you'll see the different stuff popping up. And yeah, Charlie Mattress, big up Mr. Mattress. You're better than me. Yeah, you're better than everything we born. Yeah. Anyways, I'm a great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Country Squad. Big up yourself, country gal, silent rebel, and nuclear rasta. Countryman, I'm out. Peace.